Students, we are here discussing problem number 1 of projection of a line. Okay, so problem is a line AB having 70 mm long is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the HP and 45 degree to the VP. Its end point A is 10 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of the VP. Okay, draw the projection of the line AB. We have to assume here that this total complete line AB should be in first quadrant. Okay, so start with our problem. Here is given data. True length is already given, is 70 mm. Okay, then this line is inclined 30 degree to the HP. That means when we have to draw this angle 30 degree, we have to draw this angle in the VP side. Okay, so that's why theta is 30 degree. Similarly, the same line is also inclined 45 degree to the VP. That means this 45 degree angle we have to draw in the HP side, and in the HP the angle is we have to denote it by phi. Okay, so phi angle is given 45 degree. Okay, so this data is we have to draw. Then similarly, point A, location of a point is given. Point A is 10 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So this 10 mm we have to draw above the XY line, and this point A denoted in VP means front view of a point A denoted by A dash, and top view of this point A denoted by small a. Okay, so 10 mm we have to draw above XY line and 20 mm we have to draw below the XY line. Okay, so we start with our problem. First we have to draw this 10 mm distance. I am here drawing my XY line first. Okay, so this is my Y and X. This is vertical plane VP and HP, because we have to consider this total line in first quadrant only, and in first quadrant this vertical plane should be above the XY line and HP should be below the XY line. Okay, so this is XY axis, VP, HP. So now we have to take this 10 mm distance, which is 10 mm above the XY line. So I am considering 10 mm distance and 20 mm below the XY line. So I get these 2 points, point A dash and this is A. Okay, so as when you get this A dash and A point, draw a simple line which is parallel to XY axis now. This data you have is, now we have to draw this 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so this 30 degree we have to take from this point. So mark 30 degree here. Okay, and draw one straight line from the same point. Now we have to draw this angle 45 degree. This point is 45 degree. Okay, so draw another line which is passing through point A and 45 degree incline. Okay, so as per given data, this 10 mm we have used, this 20 mm we have used, then 30 degree and 45 degree, all these 4 data we have used. Now the only remaining thing is 70 mm. This is true length. Okay, so take 70 mm distance in the rounder. This is 70 mm distance. Okay, so from point A dash we have to mark one point which is at a distance of 7 mm from A dash. Okay, similarly we have to draw another 7 mm distance cut on this point from point A. Okay, so when you get these 2 points, draw another straight line which is parallel to XY line. Okay, so this line is nothing but your locus of B dash, and this line is locus of B. Okay, this point is your B1 dash point, and this point is your B2 point. So that's why here mentioning this 30 degree, that is A dash B1 dash is inclined 30 degree to the XY line. Similarly A and B2, A B2, it is 45 degree to the XY line. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 45 degree. Okay, so after we are getting the point B dash, B1 dash and B2, draw one straight line, which is just touching up to locus of A. Okay, similarly we have to draw one straight line from point B2 up to locus of A dash. This point is B1 point, and when you are shifting this point up to B dash, this point becomes B2 dash point. Okay, so now in the rounder, take a distance A dash and B2 dash. In the rounder, take a distance A dash to B2 dash and center as a dash. We have to draw one arc. Which is just touching to the locus of B dash. Similarly, we have to draw another arc by taking the radius AB1, center as A. Okay, so from point B1 dash we are moving in this direction. From B1 to, we have to draw this arc. We are shifting from B2 to B2 dash, and after that this arc. Okay, so I am getting this point and this point. Okay, so just join these 2 points. And these 2 points, this point is B dash and this point is B. Okay, so now this A dash B dash, it is nothing but your front view. This A and B is nothing but your top view. This A and B2, A B2 already given, it is 70 mm. This is nothing but your true length. Also B dash and B1 dash, A dash and B1 dash, this is your true length. Okay, so this is the problem of first problem of a projection of a line. Draw these two lines by straight line, means join this b dash and b1 dash by a straight line. Thank you.